In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bleed your brakes with one person. Things you'll need: a bottle, 1/4 inch clear tube, a zip tie, cut a hole on the top. You can use a 1/4 inch drill bit, and then do a small vent tube as well. Put about 1/4 of liquid in here. If all you have is new, just put 1/4 in there. Open your master cylinder reservoir and make sure it's full. Keep your brake fluid handy. All right, again, very simple to make this. It's a 1/4 inch hole, 1/4 inch line. This is 2 feet of line. And then do a vent hole there. It's literally all you need. Drop it down to where the liquid meets the line so that you don't introduce any air bubbles. The zip tie, it's what's gonna go against the bleeder valve so air doesn't escape. You can also use the trick of adding grease to the end of the fitting here. I've noticed that this worked pretty fine, so no need for the grease. So let's go ahead. And then when you start bleeding this, make sure that the line is going up so air doesn't go back down. So remove your cap, your bleeder cap, set that to the side. Go ahead and route your line. And what I like to do is I bring this almost to the edge and then I squeeze it in there. There we go. This is a 10 millimeter. Why did I know that was gonna happen? So let's take this back out and then we're gonna crack it open. You're gonna push towards the driver's side. See, bubbles are coming out. Just let it all come out like this. Leave it open and then head to the driver's side and start pumping your brakes. Just pump your brakes. They'll start getting hard. I do about 5 pumps. 3, 4, 5. Let's do 2 more. 6 and 7. Remember, don't let your master cylinder run dry, because then you introduce air to the entire system and you start everything all over. So I'm still good. Let's go ahead and close this off. And then the trick is you want to pull this line up once you take it out. Like this so that it drains in. Make sure this is closed. That's good. And this is literally how you bleed all your brakes with one person. If you have 2, you can do the old method where one pumps the brakes, holds it down, you crack the bleeder valve. Even if I had the 2 people method and I could call my wife to help me, I would still do it this way. It's much more efficient. It's quicker. So my wife would be inside pumping and I'll just be here just visualizing everything. So pretty easy, pretty simple.